Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking of how to use Firebase dynamic links in our project. So what is Firebase dynamic links? I'll give us a practical sample of what it does. For instance, I copy a link. You must have seen links. Websites create links, apps like Facebook, Instagram, Google Play Store, and what have you. They create link, and when you click on this link, it opens the app. Not only does it open the app, it also locates the content by itself. So I'm going to show this. This is a sample of how Sketchware uses dynamic links to get users into the app. So even if the app is not installed, even if the user is using laptop, even if the user is using iOS, it will direct them to your app. And when it directs them to your app, when you install the app, it will take them directly to the position. Today I'll be showing us the features, and when we reach 1,000 subscribers, I will make the full tutorials on how to handle Firebase dynamic links. So what you can just do is subscribe, let others know about it, because why I say you should reach 1,000, I want a lot of people to know how to do it, because it's very helpful when you have business like clothing. You want to share the content of your app without users even having your app, just to gain more users and what have you. So these are features apps use. If you are using refer and earn tutorials, you can use Firebase dynamic link. When they register with the link, you reward the other users and what have you. So when we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll release the tutorial and show us where we can handle it efficiently, even more efficiently than Sketchware does. Thank you.